Akala ng lahat, easy sweep lang ang creamline. Pero teka, muntik pa silang masilat ng Choco Mucho sa dulo. Championship composure versus do-or-die desperation. Sino ang umarangkada? Sino ang nag-collapse? At paano nga ba trinangka ng Cool Smashers ang Flying Titans para makapasok sa quarters? Tara, himayin natin yan. Let's roll! What's up mga ka-joust? Ito na naman ang inyong sports buddy na maghahapid ng may init, masarap at malulupit na volleyball kwento straight sa PVL Reinforced Conference. At ang episode natin ngayon, grabe! Sibling rivalry turned battle royale. Creamline Cool Smashers versus Choco Mucho Flying Titans. Pagpasok pa lang ng set, medyo nagulat ang Creamline dahil ang Choco Mucho kahit on the brink of elimination, nagpakita agad ng resistensya. Kumamanda sila ng 5-2 lead. Pero alam niyo naman ng Creamline, parang kotse lang na nagiinit pa sa umpisa. Once na uminit, wala na. Umarangkada ng tuloy-tuloy. From 2-5, biglang humataw ng rallies ang Cool Smashers, turning it into a 16-10 advantage. Ang linas ng execution, kumbaga system activated. Crisp sets, solid passing, walang kaabog-abog na atake. At sino ang bumili ng kape para magising lahat? Alyssa Aldez. With that down-the-line kill, sinelyohan niya ang unang set. Complete control, complete dominance. Creamline, 25. Choco Mucho, 17. Parang nagsabing, relax lang mga sis, ate or kuya mode activated. Pagdating ng second set, deja vu. Tried to adjust pero ang problema, hindi makatingawan ang sistema ng Creamline. Nagdoble lakas ang Cool Smashers. Mas matalas ang sets, mas mabilis ang transition, mas pulido ang blocking and floor defense. Mga kaibigan, pag nagkaisa ang Creamline parang Swiss watch. Precise, consistent, walang sablay. At yung service errors ng Choco Mucho, malaking factor, parang bigay punto sa Cool Smashers. Entering the second technical timeout, ginawa ng Creamline na doble ang puntos ng Titans. Halos nakapako ang Choco Mucho sa score habang umaakyat ang Cool Smashers. At syempre, ang finishing move pa rin, Lori Bernardo off the block hit. Boom! Panalo ulit ng 8 points. Creamline, 25. Choco Mucho, 17. Parang nag-uusap ang Cool Smashers. Same script, same win. Ito na. Kung akala nyong one-way traffic, mali! Third set, nagising bigla ang Flying Titans. Nagkaroon ng puso, pride at paghahabol ng buhay. At dito na naging exciting dahil lumaban ng todo. Royce Tubino with a clutch back row kill. Isa Molde attacking from all angles. Marley Smith finally nakahanap ng rhythm. Nakuha pa ng Choco Mucho ang 23-22 lead. Ramdam mo yung tension, yung parang, aba, teka, may plot twist tayo. Pero, championship DNA, yun ang naghiwalay sa kanila. Coco Schwan? Boom! Kill. Deadlock ulit. Michelle Gumabao, powerful hit off Tang Ponce. Momentum swings back. And final rally, wild exchange, spikes, digs, coverage, lahat bit-bit. Hanggang sa block party. Creamline shuts the door on Isa Molde's third attempt. Ball game, quarterfinal ticket secured. Creamline, 25. Choco Mucho, 23. Match over in 1 hour and 18 minutes. Player highlights. For Creamline, Coco Schwan, 15 points. Top scorer, Stevie Allgame. Michelle Gumabaro, 9 points. Pangkapit sa clutch. Combined effort from Carlos, Panaba, Toring, Valdez, Bernardo, 24 points total. At syempre ang utak ng team, Kyle Negrito, 18 excellent sets, best player of the game. Sabi pa niya, every point, every possession dapat trabahuin, no letting up. For Choco Mucho, Isa Molde, 11 points. Marley Smith, 5 points. Tubino, 6 points. Madayag and Tolentino combined 12 points. Pero kulang ang consistency, kulang ang execution. At in the PVL, kapag kaharap mo ang Creamline, hindi pwede ang sablay. Creamline moves to the quarters. With this win, Creamline improves to 5-2. Choco Mucho ends their run at 2-7, officially out of contention. Coach Serwin Meneses summed it up well. Teamwork talagang nagpanalo sa amin. At kitang-kita naman, depth, composure, at killer instinct. Next up, a resurgent Signal squad on Tuesday. That's gonna be a banger. At ayan mga ka-joust volley, solid storylines, solid rivalries, solid volleyball. Kung gusto nyo pa ng ganitong breakdown, yung parang kasama nyong nanonood courtside, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ito ang inyong sports buddy, and as always, boom bulaka! Kita-kits sa next game recaps.
Are you ready?
And the cream line, Cool Smashers, select.
Oy, cool smashers. Fix.
Pass the... Wala. Uy, dalawa po. Oh. You have perfect.
You know what? Interesting alright? Ako'y nasa kalapit, alas 7 ng gabi, nakilala ko tuloy ang magandang babae. Ikinali sa aking mga mata, ang di ko lang alam. Kumalat sa akin ng nagkukuro na siya. Nagkaya ba? Nagmiminis na tuwan ba?
Kanta naman, no?
I promise I will share my
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, chicken.
Doon ko na inom. Gcash siya kasi. Please blink. Gumagano. Please blink. Wala, wag mo lumay.
May labada.
Bahay mo, Sisi?
Okay lang po kayo?
Yes po.
Walk, ma'am, sir.
Kailangan po namin ng towel sa room 5.
Sige po.
Thank you po.
You're welcome po, ma'am.
Pag-cheat ng mga Manila na nagturo rito pang masilayan ang bawat miyembro ng komunidad. This time, nais ko ipakilala ang bawat
Sobrang lamig! So cool.
Lai, good morning! Okay, ito po. Wow! Mix and match. Ay,